Hey friends, Hattie from Honeybee Stampers here, hopping on to do a quick recap of our April online workshop that I did last Thursday. We featured the Gumball Greetings stamp set and dies, so that bundle. It's available in the Spring Mini Catalog right now. And I did several projects featuring this particular product. Now we've got some stamping blends right here on the side of it. Those are the stamping blends, which are alcohol-based markers that I used on some of the projects. For April, my ordering special using the host code, so you have to make sure that you enter this particular host code for the April online workshop, you will get to choose a free set of stamping blends. Now those blends are a $9 value. You'll get a set of 2, and it can be any color that's available right now. And the set of 2 would include the light and the dark version of that particular color. So that's the workshop code 4B92. TK4H, and you can also see that in the comments in the YouTube video if you hop over to YouTube and watch the online workshop. But you'll get to choose your free set of blends for placing a $75 order or more with me on my online store. So let me go through the projects that we created. So I made this card here, very cute, and then I of course created some extra cards using different colors. I didn't have this one available when I did the online workshop, but there's just a sneak peek of the a different color. This is Bermuda Bay, this is Granny Apple Green, and this one right here is Magenta Madness. So those are a couple of the projects that I created. And then here's another project that I created on the video. So cute, I love that silver foil there. And I did some more heat embossing here. Here's another version. This one has the hearts all over versus this one here just kind of down in the corner. And then of course I did 2 other colors. Now the designer series paper that I featured here, as well as on this card, is from the host set. And that is, I believe, still available on the online store. You do have to place a host order, which means your order has to reach 150 or more in order to purchase that or get that product for free. But the host paper pack is incredible, it's beautiful, and I just loved it. So both of these patterns are part of that paper, as well as these patterns here. And then the last project that I created was this one. Okay, so this was just kind of the sample that I showed, and then I actually created this one in the video, again using that same host paper. So today is the deadline to place those orders in order to choose your free set of stamping blends. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I'll bring in the host code one more time here. There you go. And I hope you guys enjoyed the workshop. Definitely leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share if you enjoy the video. Thanks so much. Bye.